Welcome guys to yet another impactful video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, and when you subscribe you help us to grow the channel and to continue to give more free content like this. Subscribe and hit that like button. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how we caught this beautiful scalp trade today on V75. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how we use the order blocks and so forth to catch this trade. If you don't know what an order block is, please go back and watch the video on market structure for Volatility 75. We explain everything about order blocks there. So watch that video and then maybe you can come back and watch this example. Okay, let's go and get into it now. Okay guys, this is how we caught this move right here going up here. Okay, so we caught this move on our Telegram channel. I sent this position to be taken on our Telegram channel. So this is how we caught it. So when I got to the charts, I saw that V75 was making this move here to the downside. Okay, so as it was making this move to the downside, and it was moving very aggressively, as you can see, I saw that it was gonna come to this order block right here, because when the market was going up here, the market created this order block right here. Okay, because the market broke this highs here, creating this order block. All right, so I then highlighted this order block and dragged it all the way to my right and waited for the market to come to this OB. And then after the market reacted to this OB, we took our trades. Okay, but before we took the trade, as the market was coming down, firstly I went to this is the 15 minutes time frame. So I went to the daily chart to see what the market is doing. Okay, so I came to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, let me just make this a little bit bigger. I saw that the market went up. Okay, the market went up, creating this bullish order block over here. Okay, so I'm seeing that the market is reacting to a daily order block, because the market came to this order block. The market came to this order block right here, and the market reacted, right? And the next day it could even break here, and then today I'm seeing the market is still reacting to this order block. So then I went to the 4 hour to see what is happening. Okay, so I'm happy that okay, there's a daily bullish order block, right? And that is good for me. So the 4 hours, okay, the PC a little bit slow. So on the 4 hours, there is also a bullish order block right here, because the market went up, slightly breaking this highs over here. So fine, the market is currently the market is currently on this 4 hour bullish order block. Okay, went to the 1 hour. So in the 1 hour, there's also another order block right there. Okay, there is an order block right here, right? Because the market went to the upside, breaking this highs over here. Then I went back to my 15 minutes time frame, because I usually take most of my trades here, but I can even go lower. Sometimes I do take trades on the 1 minute time frame, but I won't advise you to do that. All right, so now we are back on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, sorry about all this mess here. So we have established that there is an order block. Okay, so when the market came here, it did react to the order block, and then we placed our trade, and our stops were right up here. So we had our first TP somewhere around here, because there is an order block also here. So I put the first TP around this area, but I knew that the market is gonna go all the way up to this order block right here, because from here the market moved very aggressively, taking out this lows and taking out this lows as well. So this is the main order block that I knew that the market is gonna come to this point. Okay, so that's how we caught this trade. But there were two other things that I looked at. Okay, so I also used a trend line for confluence, so this market was respecting this trend line here. So okay, I'll do another video about trend lines some other time. So the market came here, bounced back. So this was our first touch. We have a first touch here, first touch, second touch on the trend line, and this is our third touch on the trend line. So in the market, so when I saw this third touch as well, plus the bullish order block, I knew that the market is gonna go up. Okay, the other thing is that this whole area right from this side is a strong support area. It was tested right here, 1, tested again here at this order block, 2, and this was the third time this area was being tested. So without a doubt, I knew that this market was gonna go up. So when I saw the reaction here, I put my entry, and I gave the signal out also on the Telegram channel. Then the market went up. So that's how we caught this trade today, ladies and gentlemen. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. You can also join our Telegram channel. It's free. I give free signals there every day. Thank you for watching. Bye.